Hello YouTubers, today I am here to show you about creating the shaker envelope, and this is the template that I have out. We printed a bunch of these for our kids' Sunday school, and then of course I always like to punch a hole so that I can cut out the heart in there. So if you always punch a hole, it's kind of easier for you to go in and trim out what you need to make the heart. And I have with me is a sheet protector that I use. These are thick ones, and this is what I use to make my shakers out of. Of course, I have my little love note to stick in there, and I have some glitter, and some sequins and things, and some glitters and some confetti. And I used to do this with a glue gun. I would cut out and then glue together, and it worked really well. But I have recently been gifted and absolutely love it, the Fuse tool, so I am working with it today.